Each time I post this woman's video, they'll flag me. Facebook will flag me. Let me try it again today. Just listen to her stories.
I'm Mrs. Adachukwu. I'm Mrs. Adachukwu okafor. Okay. Happiness Mwafo. She's my help. I actually got to know her from her auntie. She's staying with me. I told her auntie that I actually wanted an 18-years-old girl, 17, 18 years old, which she begged me I should stay with her for a while, while she brings in the 17-years-old girl. So she's not like 3 weeks in my house. So on a Monday, to I think 22nd of January, I was going to the market. While I was driving from my house, my car was already giving me fuel signal. So I actually said, let me go to the police station first and fuel my car before I get to the market. So while driving on the road, my car got overheated, and stopped by itself on the road. So the next thing to do was open my bonnet and allow the car to cool off before I pour water and proceed. So knowing that the fuel in my car was already low, and where my car stopped was a hilly road, the fuel in it will run back and it might not start after it cools down. So I decided to take a gallon and buy fuel myself and pour inside the car. So when I got a trackable distance, went to move with my first son, like 7 years old. In no time I came in just to look inside my car and saw the girl on top of my child, my 6-year-old son, naked without banging her, as like she was having my son in the car. I shouted and people came out. She ran out with her pants on her hand. And ran as I couldn't hold. It was the security of the place, my car, Regina Nwankwo Onicha, that caught her and handed her to me. Because of what she did, I had to wind up the glasses. So by the time they fixed my car and everything, it was already around 8 in the night. So I went to the house. I got a cane. I bought a cane downstairs in my front of my house and was flogging her. Before I started flogging her, remember I came in around 8:30 in the night. So I knew that I was meant to arrange food for my kids to eat because the next day was cold. So I put food on fire. When I now called, I told her to lie down, remove her skirt that I was going to flog her on her bum because of what she did. So when she laid down, I started flogging her. While flogging her, my son now told me that she has been doing it, that whenever she's beating her, she'll be touching her penis. And also when she's applying cream on her body, that she'll be touching her penis. And that twice I went downstairs to charge my car, to power my phone in my car, that she would tell her to lie down on top of her and be banging and be doing her my son explained, and she confirmed it too. And I was only flogging her with cane. Then she started running. At the point she got up and she started running, she was running away from the cane. So she ran towards the kitchen side. Remember, I had food on fire. She ran towards the kitchen to escape through the kitchen door. The door she went to escape through was locked. She trying to come back. My kitchen is a narrow kitchen, and the first thing in front of my kitchen is my gas. She mistakenly pushed the food on the gas. It fell on the floor. She entered the kitchen with her back. She entered with her because she was running away from cane, and she mistakenly sat on the gas of food on fire. That was what happened to her. The blade got to her skin. The blade of the gas. She sat on the gas and fell. She was almost falling with the gas. I rushed the gas and held it, and she landed her face on the pot of food that fell on the floor. That was what happened. I didn't use iron, anything like that on her. I didn't use a knife on her. I did not.
Ma, you are a mother of four. You are a mother of four, and right now,
it was.
Sorry, excuse. You are a mother of four, and right now it's your word against a 10-year-old. You claim
She's not
that
10 years.
You claim that she abused you.